Hi first graders, welcome back to Math with Miss Six. Today is Thursday, October 15th, 2020. Today I will be able to use a digital clock to tell time to the hour. We've been working on analog clock that has the hour hand and the minute hand, and now we're going to be working on digital. So we have the analog clocks, which have the hour hand, minute hand, and we see the numbers of the hours all the way around. On the digital clock, we have the hours right here on the left, the colon, and then the minutes are on the right. So we said we can find analog clocks, school, cars, and amusement parks. And there's a lot of other places too. We can find digital clocks in our home. Your parents may have a digital clock like this as an alarm clock, or in your living room to tell time. It's also, digital clocks are easier to use, so we use them in technology a lot. When you lock or unlock your phone, computer, Chromebook, you'll see the time is in digital, just like that. And sometimes in movies too, if you press play, you can see on the very bottom it's going to tell you the hours and the minutes of how long the movie is. So we've already learned a lot about telling time. We've learned that we can tell time on an analog clock by looking at the rooms for each hour. The hour hand is shorter, the minute hand is longer. And then we've actually already been working on digital time. If you put the hours right here on the left, the colon, and then the minutes on the right, that is exactly how we tell time digitally. We just don't have to look at the analog part. And we said, what is the same about all of these clocks? The minute hands are pointing at 12. And when they're pointing at 12, we say o'clock. Because the hour, and this is how we'll write it, the hour is on the left, the minutes is on the right. So now that's what we were saying for analog clocks. For digital clocks, it's the same, except we don't have to look at the analog with the hands. We can just say, if I see 00 in the minutes, we say o'clock. Those zeros should remind you. So all these things on the to-do list that Mr. Crocodile had, we would say 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. The hour is on the left and the minutes are on the right. So far we haven't gone into minutes any more than just learning about o'clock. So your assignment is going to be on Kahoot. It's a really fun challenge game. And so I sent you this link on Google Classroom and it says you have been challenged. And you're going to have to figure out what time the digital clock is showing you. So I see a 3, I see a colon, and I see 00. But what time does that mean? Does it mean 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, or 300? Well, 300 is not a time. That's a number. So it can't be 1 o'clock. I don't see a 1. It's not 5 o'clock. I don't see a 5. It's 3 o'clock. The hour is 3. The minutes are 0. Beginning of the hour. So you're just going to choose whichever answer is correct. And there are 12 different challenge cards for you to complete. The only thing you have to do to get into the game is you have to click here and type in your name to join. Press OK, go, and you'll access all of the cards on there, the 12 questions. I can't wait to see how y'all do on these. I think you'll do awesome on telling the digital time by looking at the hour, and the 00 means o'clock. I'll see you really soon. Bye.